atmospheric pollution. It occurs due to presence of undesirable solid or gaseous particles in the air. Following are the major gaseous and particulate pollutants present. Gaseous air pollutants. These are oxides of carbon, nitrogen and carbon, hydrogen sulfide, hydrocarbons, ozone and other oxidants. Particulate pollutants. These are dust, mist, fumes, smoke, smog, etc. Gaseous air pollutants. Oxides of sulfur. Oxides of sulfur are produced when sulfur-containing fossil fuel is burned. Sulfur dioxide, SO2. It is a gas that is poisonous to both plants and animals. Properties of sulfur dioxide. Its low concentration causes respiratory diseases. SO2 causes irritation to eyes. SO2 leads to stiffness of flower buds which eventually fall from plants. Uncatalyzed oxidation of SO2 is slow, but the presence of particulate matter catalyzes the oxidation. Also by ozone and hydrogen peroxide catalyzes oxidation, which is shown by following reactions. 2SO2 gas plus O2 gas gives 2SO3 gas. SO2 gas plus O3 gas gives SO3 gas plus O2 gas. SO2 gas plus H2O2 liquid gives H2SO4 aqueous. Now study B. Oxides of nitrogen, which are another type of gaseous air pollutants. At high altitude, when lightning strikes, N2 and O2 combine to form oxides of nitrogen. NO2 is oxidized to nitrate ion, NO3 minus, which is washed into soil, where it serves as a fertilizer. The combustion of fossil fuel in automobiles result in formation of nitric oxide, NO, and nitrogen dioxide, NO2. NO reacts with oxygen to give NO2. 2NO gas plus O2 gas gives 2NO2 gas. Now let us study the harmful effects of oxides of nitrogen. Irritant red haze in traffic and congested places is due to oxides of nitrogen. Higher concentration of NO2 damage leaves of plants and retard rate of photosynthesis. Nitrogen dioxide is toxic to living tissue and a lung irritant. It is harmful to textile fibers and metals. Now we study C. Hydrocarbons as gaseous air pollutants. They consist of hydrogen and carbon and formed by incomplete combustion of fuel used in automobiles. Hydrocarbons cause cancer. They harm plants by causing aging, breakdown of tissue, shedding of flowers and twigs. Now we study D. Oxides of carbon as gaseous air pollutants. First we study carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, CO, is one of the most serious air pollutants. It is a colorless, odorless gas, highly poisonous to living being because of its ability to block the delivery of oxygen to organs and tissues. Now we study carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is released by burning fossil fuel by respiration, decomposition of limestone. CO2 is also emitted during volcanic eruptions. It forms 0.03% by volume of the atmosphere. CO2 produced is removed by green plants and this maintains an appropriate level of CO2 in atmosphere. Green plants use CO2, use it to produce oxygen which maintains a balance in the atmosphere. Cutting of trees and burning of fossil fuels cause increased carbon dioxide concentration.